You clicked on this recipe because you want a quick, fresh pasta dinner, and I'm not going to keep you waiting. Let's get into it.
Slice 1 large clove of garlic. To a pan with a lid, add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil and bring that up to medium-high heat. Add in your sliced garlic and let it gently start to sizzle. Now add your aromatics. I'm going with a large sprig of basil. Add in about 400 grams, just under a pound of washed tomatoes. I'm using cherry tomatoes, but you can just chop up larger tomatoes if that's what you have on hand. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt.
Pop your lid on the pan with the tomatoes, turn the heat down to medium, and let them simmer for 10 minutes.
While the tomatoes are cooking, bring your pasta water to a boil. Season the water generously with salt and add in your pasta. Cook to package directions. You'll want to use roughly 100 grams of pasta per person. Give your tomatoes a little stir now and again, not too often, just so that they don't burn. After the 10 minutes, your tomatoes should have released most of their juices and become very soft. Remove the basil from the pan. Add about 1 ladleful of pasta water to the tomatoes, and then crush the tomatoes with a potato masher or the back of a fork. My sauce looks a little dry, so I'm adding in another ladleful of pasta water. If your tomatoes are very juicy and you don't have this clear space in the bottom of your pan, you don't need to add any more. Just before your pasta is cooked, add in about 50 grams, half a cup of parmigiano reggiano cheese to your sauce. And then I like to drop my pasta straight from the pot into the sauce. It carries over a little bit of that pasta water just to thin it out. Give the pasta a good toss so that it's really well coated with all of that beautiful tomato sauce. Serve with an additional sprinkling of parmigiano reggiano e buon appetito!
If you're looking for another quick Italian comfort meal, why not try my pasta fagioli? And if you liked this video, please hit the like button down below. Make sure to subscribe because I come out with a new video every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.